Yeah, good morning. This is a Schaublin 70 with an F16 ball bearing head and the quick lever operated collet changer. The cutting of carriage and the lever operated turret. Yeah, this is a machine to make small productions. There's a 3-jaw chuck here with the special flange for the F16 head stock. Yeah, this is the key to adjust all the end stops here. There's a collet set included in this set. That starts here with 1.5 millimeter. There's the Schaublin brand. So this is the F-type collet. Yeah, it goes 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, all the way up to 13 here. I don't know if it's written. Oh, there's it written 13 on the side. Yeah, there's one collet double. I think it's 7.5 millimeter, and it have a arrangement to push out your workpiece. Some details here. There's a Papst motor included. Yeah, to my opinion, they are fantastic. Low vibration, low sound. Yeah, the machine, of course, is not connected to the table. This one, there's a Siemens MicroMaster included. And yeah, I'm always surprised about the beauty of this motor. The low sound. Fantastic. You can change the speed here. So the collets, they go in here. There's a spring. What I wanted to show is the cutting off carriage. Let's see if I can show that like this. It's in a good condition. Thank you for watching.